How to delete your religion on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your religion on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and click these three lines here. Click settings and privacy, settings, profile information. Go to basic info and then click edit. And now all you need to do is just click on your profile and delete it, on your religion, and click settings, save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.